Gongs play a central role in the gamelan orchestra, and the different sizes and tones mark different key points in the repeating musical cycles from which the music is constructed. This is the middle-sized gong in our gamelan range, and the set includes a beater and a sturdy metal stand.
This is the Drums for Schools 20-inch gong. Often played as part of a gamelan ensemble, this gong has been handmade by traditional craftsmen on the Indonesian island of Bali. It comes supplied with a sturdy metal frame, decorated with the traditional dragons, there to protect the spirit of the gong. It's played with the mallet that's supplied with the instrument, and you strike the mallet in the centre of the gong on the raised area known as the boss, like this.
The 20-inch 50cm Gong Set, the middle-sized gong in our range. Made in Bali and includes the sturdy metal stand and beater.